hello, this is your boy 1 out of 20%, and we're here again for another market recap. I'm sorry for this late today to post this, but yes, let's start. So, today was a it was a good day, but I've made small mistakes that I shouldn't have made. Everything was clear, my bias, my positions, and everything. But today I've made a little mistake that I usually don't do, but I will explain in a moment. So I would like to start with the bias for the day. So as you can see, the market last night was the market yesterday was very rotational, just going up and down. There was not much movement. I recall, I think we took like two positive trades in here yesterday, which was really good. Today the market closed above the 2762, so I set my LIS since yesterday over here because what I was expecting the market to do was either break and trying to looking for value on the previous CVA or just carry on trading above. But the market actually did what I was expecting the most, which was breaking this level and then start trading below. So my bias for the day was only to take shorts. Taking shorts because today was fundamentals as well, unemployment claims. I was a little bit careful because I wanted to make sure that I wouldn't make any mistakes. I wanted to do the right trade and take the right positions, and I actually did. But I didn't do as well because imagine I will show you now the fills for the day, and as you can see, today was a scalping day, pure scalping, just scalping thing, small positions here and there, here and there, here and there, and the reason why I wasn't able to do more profit was simply because of my stop loss, and I'll explain in a moment. So I start the day. By the time I got on the market was trading around here, but then I was working as well. I couldn't take advantage of this imbalance. Below the CVA, below the LIS, the market. I knew the market was going down because the market was trading in between, above and below the VWAP, but the market didn't settle. But then when I saw the sellers driving the market all the way below the VWAP towards the fast trend, I knew that the market definitely would go down at some point. But I didn't get on this market earlier because I simply was working. So I tried I tried to take a short position, but this is when I started to have issues with my trade today because what happened today, and that was a big lesson for me. Previously, I used to sometimes use mental stops. I would say, oh, when the market gets to this point, I'll take it. But today, I have decided to take just scalping, but I decided just to scalp, and my scalp went wrong somehow. Went well in some times, but in other times went wrong. So what happened here, for example, um, I knew I was late for my entry because the market already ran all the way down. I knew that I was late, but I tried to put a sell. I put a short position. But what happened? Because my stop loss was too close, because I was scalping. For scalping, I take max 37 ticks or 15 ticks depending, because if I scalp I make $10, I can scalp again, and instead of using my full uh, amount that I have for stop loss, I can like divide in two or three, it depends, so when it's convenient. And the market actually was going down, but because my stop loss was too near, the market didn't have enough time to breathe and then go down. I could take one short straight away over here, $20 quick. Over here, I saw the market going down. The market was going down once again. My stop loss was so short that I got stopped out. But anyways, I got stopped out, but the market went up. Once again, the market opened over here and then went all the way down. The market went all the way down. I should have taken, that was a scalp. Few seconds on the market, another $7 or $8. I should just make my profit today like this, but unfortunately, the I didn't carry on with my stop loss above the LIS, and unfortunately I got stopped out because I decreased my stop loss. Another one was another trade. This trade was really good. I actually liked it, but I should have carried on because what happened was I entered on the trade over here. My stop loss was around here, and I saw the market start going down and down and down, and I should take advantage of this, but I decided just to take my position over here. Took my position, but this time I've made enough to clear all of this drawdown and remain with a little bit more, maybe $5. And then this is when the disaster has started, because uh, once again the stop loss, because my stop loss, when I enter on the trade, I put one short in here, and my stop loss was above here. But I didn't, because I wanted to scalp. I just put my stop loss was very close to the entry point, and that was my mistake. I've made this mistake not because I didn't know what I was doing, because I knew, but I didn't expect the market to spike up these occasions to make my PNL to go to this to go all the way up. Not the PNL, sorry, to make the drawdown going all the way up, because I was expecting the market just to do a little pullback and carry on trading below. So that's what the market actually did, because I entered a little bit before of this pullback. So I put a short position over here. The market pulled back a little bit and start going down. So, and then I start taking more shorts and more shorts, but I should, for example, once again in here, let my shorts, you know, my market going down still. The only one that I believe there was a big mistake, but it was more uncalculated risk, was here, because there was nothing that I could do. Well, there it was when I put my short. When I put my short position, the market turns against me. My stop loss this time was above here more or less, but I decided to flatten because I saw the market condition, the market condition, the market start going all the way up and looking for more positions up here. So to finalize my analysis of the day was this one over here put me fuming, because literally I had two short positions and the market went all the way down, and I should have taken 70 something dollars, but I didn't because I wanted to see what the market was trying to do. But I forgot, or I didn't realize that the market failed to rotate once. So this one was the second rotation, because there was an imbalance out of nowhere, as if the 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 contestants on the market just decide to drop their inventory and just leave. And that's exactly what happened, because it was so quick. It was so quick that I didn't have enough time to flat my position, but I still did. I still doing some profit. I've done some profit here, really good profit. Not the best, but it was alright. And then once again another position. I put a short over here, waiting the market to get back. I could leave these two positions with a little bit of more PNL, and this one with a break even. So after this, I didn't take any more trades, because my PNL, my I projected for myself today to lose max of $87, and that's exactly what happened. So if you see here, I've lost $87 because I knew the day was lost already. After this trade, I knew the day was already lost, so all I could do is just reduce my drawdown. So to be honest, the management wasn't bad. I knew what I was doing. The only problem, apart of this trade over here, the only problem today was my stop loss. Because let me just show you again. So if I open up, I have two types of targets. So this is my main target. This is the target for intraday when I want to stay longer on the market. If I want to stay a little bit longer, this is what I will use to apply my trades. But if I want to scalp, I have another one called scalping, and this scalping is a very short term, so it's 37 ticks with a maximum target of 93, which I believe which I believe that is a lot. But what I did to lose those trades were, rather than use the 37, I was using half of it. It was around 17, more or less 16, 17, because there is no half numbers in here. So I was using 17 ticks. So like this, let's say if I use 17 ticks and the market goes up to 40, that's really good. So in order to increase my opportunity to get more trades, I was just decreasing the number of ticks for the stop and keep the target a little bit higher. But well, that was a bad management in a way, but the same way was good because I could understand more or less if these stop losses were enough for the type of trading that I wanted to do today. So, but yes, it was a negative day, but not as negative as the other days, like, because my P&L yesterday was better, so I lost a little bit of capital, but tomorrow is another day and I'll be able to recover. But yes, so this was just like a heads up for in the future. If you guys trying to use certain types of stop losses or everything, just make sure that you calculate the risk and how much you want to lose, but make it make a realistic target. Don't just put, for example, $30 just because. No, why do you want to use $30? In my case, I want to use $30 because that will be a scalp. I don't intend to stay for too long. Any profit that I take from that scalping, even $5, for me that's fine, is acceptable. So that's why it's a scalp, because if it was to day trade I would stay longer and increase my stop loss. But yes, so the market today was really good to trade. I can't complain. It's all on me. All the mistake that happened, it's all on me. But apart of that, it's pretty chill market. As you can see, cumulative delta working accordingly. A lot of selling when there was selling, a lot of buying when I was buying. So when the market make that reversal, that reversal was key for this market today. This reversal was amazing. Was an amazing reversal. I knew the market would reverse because if you can see, the rhythm has changed. So that at one moment the market was trading only in between slow trend and normal trend, and then the sellers start failing to rotate. They couldn't rotate anymore to get to here. So as soon as I saw two failures over here, I should have take longs, but because my bias for the day was just shorts, that's why I took shorts. But something that you guys need to bear in mind is don't keep like short just because it's for short days. In case of reversal like this, you can try to take a long and see if the market will touch, for example, this high, or at least the LIS, for example. This is another way that I should have done my trade today, just in case, just to clear the drawdown. This one definitely would granted me this $87 plus a little bit more, and I would finish up my day in greens. But not every day is green. Today was a red day, but it was a good lesson. And yes, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. As usual, if you have any questions, comment on the section below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And yes, that's it. Enjoy your day. Thank you.